Hey there, so recently everybody just staying home and then we all need to make money. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a really quick way how you can start making your passive income just working from home. So without that being said, don't forget to smash the subscribe button now and let's get started here. This is the website that we're going to be using, which is called Quickengigs.com. What we're going to do is that we're going to be selling social media services. As I'm going to go here straight to digital marketing, I'm gonna see the people offering these services on this site, and from there we go. So for example, there is a couple of people here like offering I lead to 20k views on YouTube channel, sell Google Play account, make money 100 to 1000 and so on. So for example here, I will get more traffic to your website for $5. This is a very cheap price. So if I click here, 1000 visitors for $5. I'm sure if you do the same thing here on other platform, as you know, like there is Upwork, Fiverr and all these platforms. So you come to Quickengigs, you hire seller like this one, Kiran Jain, he got 8 reviews. And let's see the reviews. Yeah, so he got like same client. Let me load more. I see other client. Yeah, this is another one. This is cool. Let me check his profile again. Okay, yes, 5. I go down, I load more because I also have been using his services. Let me load more. Okay, yes, I also have been using his services because he provided me followers for my Instagram and a really cheap price. So there is another one. Let me just go to digital marketing and see, so you can have an idea about what we are talking about. So here you can buy Google accounts, like activated if you have issues on making an account, web traffic, US traffic, SEO and everything here. So if you need a ClickBank account activated and everything. So so this is what we're gonna do, is just like you find a service that you want, you go to another platform and then you add your earning, which is like, for example, if you're gonna get this $5, you can put it for $20, $15. It's up to how much you want to do this, and then you will be just dropping services, hiring people, keeping the profit. And you will be in this case the middleman. So the process is just easy. I just click login, make an account. I already have an account. I already have been making money on this site, honestly, and I'm just gonna log in here real quick and show you guys what's going on, and then you can have an idea about what we are talking about. So let's wait for this to load and then we go from there. Yeah, so here I click this one and then I wait for it to load. What's going on here? Yeah, okay, it's loading. Now opening my account and then I can see what's going on the site. Okay, so once you log in on the website, you see this page here, which is the dashboard of the site. You see a couple of people, all the freelancers, and then you can load more. You can see the news if you want to read YouTubers who trusted on Quickengigs, top professional freelancers at lowest cost. Sorry, there is a lot of things here. I see notification. What's going on? Let me check. Yeah, you have a new order from Fahad. Let's check. I got a new order. I got a review. How much this is $25 just to help someone create a Shopify store. Just gonna mark this as delivered because I have finished the job. Okay, job is finished. They're waiting for the buyer to confirm. Okay, let's wait for the buyer to confirm this. And then let me go back and show you. If we go to sales here, you can see this. Hold on. So if you go to sales, you see like I got $2,000, $2,400. But this is not the case because in today's video we are talking about how you can drop services between social media, which is digital marketing, all kind of services related to digital marketing. As you can see. So if we click here, you see product recommendation, market search, web traffic, e-commerce marketing, SEO, SEM, surveys, everything that you need, like mobile marketing, advertising, lead generations, app store optimization, well, literally everything. So you just get the service, you find a seller here. I personally talking to someone which gonna be providing me 20k Instagram followers for a really cheap price. I'm just gonna show you now. So if we go down, up, up, and then payment is safe and secure. Let me check. So I'm gonna show you because I have proof. I'm not like all these fake people on YouTube, but we're gonna see something real, guys, here. You just gotta try it. Okay, automatically copy pasting that you said. Let me load more if we can find. Okay, so you can do 20. You need, okay, let me find it really quick. Okay, 20k, 20k, 20k. The minimum withdrawal is $10. Only don't offer. Oops, my mistake. It's minimum 20. Okay, so he's saying like for $20, he's gonna be making 20k. It's like I'm gonna be paying $1 per 1k, which is really cheap than other websites. Because if we go here and we put followers by, and then you see a website like this one, and then we click, we will see the pricing. You see how much. So for how much is this organic growth? This, oh, not this. We need to buy like numbers. For example, let me check this one. Okay, so if you want to buy 1,000, this is gonna be $12, and I'm gonna buy for $1. Imagine $12, $1. How much money I'm gonna be making? You see, guys. So 1,000 followers on this site is 12. It's not 12, it's $13, and I'm gonna buy this from this seller for $1 per 1,000. So I'm gonna be keeping $12 profit on each 1,000, which is a really amazing deal. So that's it, guys. Let's get back to the website to show you real quick, and then you can start making your money. And I just wish you a good luck. So this is the website, guys. You just log in, make everything here, and then you start making cash. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.